What up?
Yo. What's up, man?
Don't make it awkward now.
I try my best to make it as awkward as possible. That's what I do.
For sure.
That's kind of like what I like doing. So I guess we're here.
Yeah, this is Gardena Bowl, fam.
All right.
We're in Gardena at the bowling alley.
All right. Is this like a thing that people of Gardena do? We come bowl?
I don't know. It's just, I bowl, but Gardena's always packed, but they got a good little restaurant right here that's pretty poppin', so.
All right.
So we like to eat there.
I'm excited. Let's go. Gardena Bowl. I am here with my man, Masonic Smoker, and he is a breeder.
Yeah, I'm a breeder, that's what you can call it, no doubt.
Well, he is. So, Masonic, what is a breeder?
What I do is I select male plants and female plants and put them together and make that product. And that's a breeder, that's what a breeder is in general. You know, hate that you put me on the spot like that. I would have found like some cool shit to say, but whatever, that's what breeding is in the end of the day. The way you make seeds, it's on the female. So you get the pollen, you dust the female, and the seeds will form on that female. And that's where the seeds come from the female, from the male's pollen. No seeds on the male.
None at all.
No.
Since you're a breeder, do you have any specific strains that the Masonic Smoker has put together?
Oh yeah, I made a plethora of strains that people that are kind of coined, you could say, like Wilson, Trop Gun, Cato Cookies, Three Pooties.
So from the Wilson, and when you created the Wilson and you started putting the seeds together to create the Wilson, those previous plants, were they grown by you as well? Yes. Okay, so it's just like it's more just like a continuous ladder of just putting everything together.
Hello. I just want the chicken teriyaki and tempura plate.
And I'm gonna get the kimchi bacon fried rice. That's it.
That's it?
Big ups to Gardena Bowl. Service was great, atmosphere was chill, and the food was dope. Bigger ups to the man, the myth, the legend for putting us onto the spot, as well as bringing us up to speed on what a breeder does. My man Masonic Smoker. Being a connoisseur of sorts, I can't begin to express how excited I was to finally speak to a breeder, and he didn't disappoint.
Nice.